Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Cody in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-655HP number 1. Cody, got it ready to go for you, bud? These are fine radios. You went with the voltage regulator upgrade as well as the tune and alignment. So I'm going to go over a couple little things here. We've got a Vox on here. You're always just going to leave that always left off. You'll never need to have that. Of course, there's your clarifier. Just keep it at 2050. I like a little bit of echo most of the time. I like them both around right there. And your RF gain. You've got a high cut filter here. Noise blanker. Man, the receive on these are phenomenal. I don't know how many times that I have someone tell me that they cannot believe how much better their Stryker hears than the other rigs they used to run. So I think you're going to really like that. There's a lot of sub menus in here. You can push and hold function. Group A through E. F through J. So you can toggle that with the channel. Auto squelch. The beep for your menu. Your timeout, tone squelch. Right now it's on LCD name. You could change it to your voltage if you want. So you got all kinds of cool things there. And then you could just key it up there if you want to go back to the standard. Okay, let's just go ahead and get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Now we set it just about 2 watts all the way down, so you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amplifier, something like a 4-pill or bigger. Just about 20 watts all the way up. Now, as I'm talking to you on the phone about a bird average, this is where it comes into play. And in your out-of-the-box setup, you might show a good peak reading, but your average power is going to either not move or swing backwards. So let's see what we got now. So we're going forward to 46 bird average. 100 watt scale and peak, that equates to looking good all around the neighborhood. Okay, Cody, I don't know if you got any more questions for me, but if you do, you can give me a shout. FM here. And you'll have about 20 watts of FM power. Not many people run FM, but you do have it. There's your talk back. 1 2 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 check check check. Great talk back on these. Okay, Cody, I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.